This is it right here. Hi guys, what's popping? I'm not even wearing on mascara. There is a reason for that. Guys, I got a beer package. So I must say, when it was delivered to me today, I was not expecting this really cute balloon. But it's in shambles right now. No fault of mine. I feel like it have a hole in it. Guys, my balloon looking tired. At least the balloons inside of the balloon isn't tired, okay? On here has the words, or what the word is supposed to be, L'Oréal Paris. Now, I received a package from Bryden PI or Bryden PI. I'm not sure how it goes. And this was one of the cute things that I got with it. I'm really loving the rose gold though. How gorgeous is this? I must say I love the packaging. And it sounds as though I can get some serious good use out of this. So they did call me and tell me it's about a mascara that is being launched. As you guys can see, it says here Air Volume Mega Mascara. So that's why I have on no lashes, I have on no mascara and all them sort of chalala, because we want to test out what it is they sent me. And the card here says L'Oréal Paris. It's the Mega Volume Light as Air. Immediately when I open the card, I'm seeing the mascara and they're saying that you can defy the rules of gravity and volume. It's an air whipped formula, creates 10 times more weightless volume lasting up to 24 hours. So what I believe is that this mascara is supposed to make your eyelashes look very voluminous, but it's not supposed to feel heavy at all. It's supposed to feel like air. It says here that it's cushiony brush to fully catch and load every lash, and it's made with hypoallergenic ingredients for even the most sensitive eyes. So for those of you who may have sensitive eyes, y'all can definitely check it out because it was made for y'all in mind. Ooh, I can't wait to see what's in here because it's definitely not just a mascara. This is it. Yo, this box is literal, like hard plastic. I love it. Okay. And this card says DeLuca Prosecco. Hello. Okay. I'll be sipping on some sippy sips. It's Prosecco wine. And it has the variety, the grape variety is called Glera. The region is Italy. The color is a pale straw, clear and bright with a fine persistent bead. The aroma is clean and lifted. Then there's the palette of fresh, zingy citric flavors with attractive palette weight rounded by balanced fruit sweetness. Long and persistent with pineapple notes and a clean mouth-watering finish. This sounds delicious already. This is what the bottle looks like. I got me my own little mini bottle of Prosecco. This is what the mascara looks like, and it says here that it's waterproof. Yes! That's the only kind of mascaras I actually want, so they already get points for that already. Waterproof. They're showing you the before, the after. 84% said it feels light as air on lashes. It has a high charge, cushiony brush, airy formula, and all of that jazz. Time for me to try this on. It's real close. This is so that we can really see how much of a difference if we do a side by side. All right. I must say that I really love this sleek packaging. It is so smooth. The cover, the cap has a different texture to the base, but I absolutely love that it's easy for you to open and close. It has a nice mild fragrance to it. Now let's go. We're seeing the before right now, so let's look at the after. Listen, my lashes looking like if it having some length now. I completely removed the plastic from the paper so that I can use it to help not mess up my eyelids when I apply it. This is a cheat code for those of you who do not know. You can use like folded paper, you can use a phone card, your bank card, because it's very easy to clean. So it allows me to get a thorough finish. And now as I look closely, I'm gonna definitely do the bottom. And to apply mascara to the bottom, I would like make circular motions in the lashes to make sure it gets in there. Now that I've done that, we can do a side by side. Y'all, I've never seen my lashes show up this much in forever. Look at that. Y'all seeing the difference? I can't believe this is my lashes, and I can imagine if I allow this to dry and then I go in with another coat. Yo, I actually feel confident to rock my natural lashes with this eyeshadow look. Usually something like this, I'm like, yo, lashes, I need to pop one. I need to pop one them falsies, dog. But look at this. Other ways is I'm missing. I'm missing a little shimmer in the inner corner. And you know, y'all, it's usually a bad idea going in with eyeshadow after you apply mascara, right? But look at me, doing the most. Listen to me. My lashes popping up. Like, you speak to me. I'm watching my lashes hair, and I'm like Yelena who, because she has very, very thick, long, curly lashes. For those of you who know Yelena, y'all know sis packing lashes. And I feel like if I having some L'Oréal Yelena vibes right now, just by my lashes. Don't forget to let me know if you will cop this Air Volume Mascara. It's waterproof. I cannot wait to get my hand on another one so that I can use it for clients, because this one is mine. Oh, if you've missed my last video about the color wheel, choosing my eyeshadow, you should definitely check that out. And my other videos that you probably have not seen. I mean, you reached this far. Don't turn back now. Thank you for watching. Later, guys.